Hi all, I'm Jeff Wallace.
And I'm Cal Deutsch.
Together we're co-founders of Silicon Valley in Your Pocket, a global virtual startup accelerator that helps founders all across the world to build their businesses from right where they are.
And today we bring you the top 10 list of perks, freebies, and discounts specifically for startup companies that will help them scale their business. As we know, bootstrapping is one of the keys to help your company survive and grow.
If this information is of interest to you, wait for the link at the end of the video, click it, enter your email address, and we'll send you a copy of a PDF with all the information you need to find this stuff.
So another important area for startups is just basically having code, building a product.
Sure.
And our general advice is we're more focused on traction than product. So if you can at any time leverage existing code, open source code, or any other resource that you can sort of fast track the development process, we highly recommend that. And so some of the coders' resources are pretty well known, like GitHub, for example, SourceForge, OSDN, which is Open Source Developers Network. Those are the places where you can find lots and lots of projects, and there's a good chance that there's a project out there that's similar to what you need to have built. And even if there's only like 80% overlap, it's a great starting point that you can market validate and get something into the market much more quickly than having to build from scratch.
You know, similar to the code that you're describing, there's even alternatives to a lot of the more common programs out there. For example, and I'm not picking them for any reason other than a lot of people use the Adobe suite of products, but they're expensive. They can be, and if you're an early stage startup, they may be beyond your financial means. So you can go to a website called Alternative 2, which has a great list of alternatives that you can use for some of these more popular. And I just picked Adobe as an example. There's just a whole bunch of them out there to look at. It's a really good resource. And similar as well on the code stack that you're describing, I think WordPress is a great for website building and things of that sort. There's modules for everything. So you don't have to build it from scratch. You can get a great head start, as you called it, to get things moving and get them done much more efficiently and quickly.